Good morning,
Australia.
Come join us for breakfast.
You're the one. We're fixing breakfast for you. You're the one.
And we're fixing a hot, delicious breakfast just for you. Our own egg muffin, our own egg muffin, our own egg muffin, our own egg muffin. Try 'em.
How do you feel?
Bucket, huh?
Have you had any mishaps? Like, did you throw up or anything?
Yeah, clear right of it.
We do it all for you.
Now, there's the theme music. How good was the theme music? Anyway, next part. Some people may know that I'm an odd character. Leanne's going to put a light on. Okay, some of you might know that I'm a bit of an odd character, and I have this weird thing where I can, for a long time, only eat the same thing over and over again. It's pretty weird. Not every day, but 90% of days I'll eat the same thing. Leanne hates it. Well, it makes life easy, doesn't it?
I eat the same thing.
Yeah, Leanne does the same thing. I've kind of like, now she has to.
But we don't eat the same thing.
We don't eat the same things. We do sometimes.
Tonight we are.
Tonight we are.
But usually we eat separate dinners, but we
Yeah.
eat the same thing for like 2 months.
Yeah.
And then change.
Yeah, so I've got, I don't know, it's just something, I can't do it. I'm a bit f***ed up. But anyway, one of the things that I really, I love is a bacon and egg McMuffin. I'm not allowed to eat them.
They're bad.
They're bad. So I've been trying for ages to replicate it. And I've done it, people. I've f***ing replicated it. I can now make them at home. And I'm going to show you how I do it.
Screw McDonald's.
Yeah, screw McDonald's. Leanne got in trouble once.
Yeah, but I didn't know.
She didn't know. We didn't know.
We didn't know.
We're pretty uneducated when it comes to things, but we do know now. But anyway, I've perfected it. And maybe, just maybe, this might rock up at the late night, at the last chance one night. Don't know. Maybe. But anyway, let me go through the ingredients list. Pretty easy. It's a muffin, so you need English muffin. From Aldi. So it's an Aldi muffin. Does that make it a German muffin? I don't know. We've got some beautiful butter. Now this is courtesy of the Tassies from the last chance, who some of you may know. Ray bought us some beautiful Tasmanian butter, beer and milk
I like butter.
as a present, and Leanne really likes butter, and this is good. I don't know where Duck River is, but they make fucking good butter. Of course, bacon. Now you're wondering why you got so much bacon, Shane. It's because I'm about to meal prep 3,000 of these bastards, so I don't have to f around. And I've got eggs, cheapest eggs from the market. Leanne bought me this snazzy little egg carrier because I do eat a lot of eggs, like a lot. And of course, here's the secret, people. Putting it out there, I went through a couple of different cheeses, and surprisingly, this was the one that won. Dairy Farmers High Melt Burger Slices. See? High Melt, Dairy Farmers. Well, it says proudly Aussie made. So I'm gonna take you through this. Anyway, bacon. I just grabbed per muffin, 1 rasher of middle bacon. Use the eye and then cut the 2 tails into 2. That's all you need to do. Alright, so I'm gonna make one, and because I'm at home, Leanne's mum got us the greatest Christmas present of all time this year. So she bought us an air fryer, and I'm telling you, it's fucking the bee's knees. Here we go. You can cook it in there. I know if you've got a bacon press, use a bacon press. You don't want your bacon to curl on this, but
Remember, at some homes, you can't have the air fryer or the microwave on at the same time, can you?
or the kettle,
Or the kettle.
or
All your power goes off.
all your power goes off. Anyway, I air fry this at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. and I don't do the preheat, just put it in. There you go. So this is going to make an annoying noise the whole time we do it, which is brilliant. And then it's as simple as this. So I got this.
Chopping board for that?
Nah, because I'm going to do this. I'm going to go to the sink, cut it over the sink like a normal
Back to
human.
us.
With my back to you. See, I got a microphone so they can hear me. Anyway, gonna whack me old mate here onto about 6. I don't know what that means. You've got to butter and I hate using butter when it's not melted.
You want me to do that?
No, because you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cheat.
Oh.
There's a lot of butter on that one. But anyway, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fully cheat.
Can I have my muffin cooked a little bit more?
Yeah, you get them how McDonald's style, bro.
Well, sometimes I like them a little bit crispier.
So this is the secret. You gotta get them in there.
You gotta go like that, do you?
Yeah, you gotta get a good coverage of butter on it. See, like that. Get a good butter on it. Get a good butter on it. It seems like that's what something they'd say on a YouTube cooking channel. Anyway, this is rough as guts, but guess what? Don't give.
You could have had this set up all properly.
I could have had it all set up
could have
properly.
had like a real life
Could have.
YouTube cooking segment.
Yeah, could have really went for it, but guess what? We ain't. Now here's the secret to the other part. That's the bacon going on ready to cook. It's how they get the nice little leg rings. They got actually a machine that does it. Did you know that?
We don't have the machine.
We don't have a machine.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, okay.
Get that aerosol in there.
Ah,
Now Leanne likes it. How do you like your eggs cooked, Leanne?
cooked.
How cooked?
Cooked.
More cooked than Elizabeth Street on a Saturday night?
Not that cooked.
Not that cooked,
I
right?
still like it a little bit
Look at that,
sensible.
no escape. So I got it on pretty high at the moment. So look, I didn't get it cooked top dirty.
That's really
Lovely, hey? Now we just let everything cook away and that's it. But yeah, I'm telling you the secret. You need the butter on your muffin. Yeah. Like, these are just the cheapest eggs I could get at the market. They're fine because egg prices are fucking out of control. And I eat a lot of egg. Like a lot. That's saying turn me, I'm saying. Phew. And the high melt burger slices. You need high melt. Normal cheese won't cut it. You won't get the same. You just won't get the same. I'm telling you, you won't get the same. I do have to cook more bacon. But I did, I went through on times and bacon in the air fryer and all sorts of shit to get this done. To get the perfect bacon.
And we like the air fryer because it makes our house not stink as much like bacon.
Yes. Leanne was a big fan of that, wasn't you?
I hate the smell. So we don't have an exhaust fan.
No, we don't have
We
it.
don't have a real kitchen. That's where it should be.
That's the crap bit. So I burnt the eggs a little bit. I do need my flipper now.
But if the bacon's not ready, why are you flipping?
I've got bacon ready. I'm cooking more bacon.
Oh.
I hate this flipper. Anyway. It's kind of almost a bad.
Do you know the
Right,
guy at
don't
the egg shop the other day offered me a whole tray of double yolks?
Really? Yeah, I know they sell
do they
double
know,
yolks.
though?
Because
How do they know
so
what's a double? What
so,
time of certain
hold on.
egg?
Do you want to know before I do this quickly? So there's a certain time in a hen's life when they're really young where they only lay double yolks.
Really?
Yeah. So chuck that on there. Give that a nice little doozy just for a minute or two as you cook through on that egg. And then you get Leanne. Leanne, what plate would you like? Right, so here we go. Nice. Nice. Alright. So how you do it. See how it's just done just like that? This is yours on this side. Right. See how that's done? And then I'm going to use my fingers, people, so don't feel obligated to not use your fingers at home. Lid on top. Oh, lid on top. And this, my friends, well, let me get it out here, is this is better than what you'll get at a place with a certain red-headed clown.
They don't look super appealing on camera.
They don't.
I don't know if you can tell how good they are, but they're
You
really
probably
good.
can't, but we're going to do the taste test right now.
Hot.
It's hot. Instant review. 2 thumbs up. Better than. Why is this camera lens dirty? Anyone notice that?
They're the best.
They are, they're good, aren't they?
Do you know what else I can say?
Maybe they'll be available at the last chance on a late night soon. Let's see. Let's see me rate myself. Not even yeah. I could be a god. YouTube cooking people, you'll go f yourselves. Well, it's like around.
Well, I'll be honest, I didn't like bacon or egg very much. I don't really care for it, but this is alright.
Like, when it comes down to it,
You're the best. So smart.
we don't even have a fancy set to cook on.
We don't even live in a real
Yeah, we
kitchen.
don't even live in a real kitchen. So what have you done now?
So you go like this. And you're like this. And you're like this. It's the best.
I'm happy. It's really nice, it's really delicious. I recommend if you've got nieces or nephews or maybe even your own children, I don't know what your breeding status is, but making this on a Sunday or a Sunday, it's good.
Some sauce would be nice on it.
Right, nice sauce, don't put sauce on it.
Oh, okay.
I'll kick you out in the
I'm
kitchen.
thinking
Oh,
about
what?
putting some sauce on mine right now.
The air fryer just finished and so did we, so that's been Better Totes and Gardens. I don't know how this is going to come up because it's completely ridiculous
Please
what
don't
we've
charge
done
our
here.
house.
But we might do a few more of these because I'm still on a sabbatical. So we might do a couple more, like of poor people's food. This isn't really poor people's food because this has got bacon and egg.
Fancy.
Pretty good. I think I did the costing on it. It's about pretty good. If you're poor, it's pretty good. So there you go. Don't forget, high melt cheese, butter, egg, muffin, bacon.
Damn.
Boom. This is make the Better Totes and Gardens and
Good night.
good night. Enjoy. What else do they do stupid on the YouTube cooking shows?
Where's the cheese?
Oh,
Oh, you don't know. You're too young for them, ain't you?
that's not YouTube.
No, but that was like a Reggie Ditch cooking show. Peter.
Cheese is on the muffin, bro.
Oh, okay.
Bacon, egg and cheese Shane muffin. What else do they do? Don't they do like whack things and things open up?
Yeah, and then they
Yeah.
they have everything neat and tidy, and but they're not in their homes.
I don't know what we've done. We made a delicious meal. I'm gonna let Leanne eat hers.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I need to eat.
Leanne's starving too. They do that on YouTube?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't watch them.
We didn't show Missy didn't come in on this episode. She's about though.
She's hanging out.
She might want a tin. See there she got.
Daddy! No.
What?
Oh, there's no battery left.
Oh, it's out?
Yeah.